Hello guys, my name is Sam and I come from MSI. I'm a product manager of MSI. Right now I'm here at 2019 MSI Computex booth, and let me introduce our new performance giant laptop GT76 Titan to you. This laptop equips a CPU with i9 DT CPU. Inside the GPU is RTX 2080, full power, 200 watts of a DGP. And for the panel, you can see right here, we have thin bezel panel with 4K solutions, IPS level panel, and we are the only first one to use 4K thin bezel solutions right now for whole the laptop. And inside the storage will be 3 slots, support up to 3 terabytes PCIe Gen 3 SSD, and also one traditional 2.5 inches of hard disk. And the memory will support up to 128 DDR4 2666 for the memory.
Dieses Video wird euch von MSI präsentiert. News und Testberichte zu den MSI Gaming Produkten findet ihr unter dem Link in der Infokarte.
And for the keyboards, we have SteelSeries RGB keyboard, which means that gamers can adjust the RGB colors by their preferences. And for the outlook, we have RGB light bar for the front side and also the left side and right hand side, which also support that gamers can adjust their color by their own way, own style. And for the audio, we have audio speakers, which is very famous, and we have a very big woofer right here, audio speakers. And for the headsets, we have high-res logo headsets. This laptop will be available around end of June.